Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the simple e-commerce website using PHP with Ajax. Here I already shown this demo. Here these are the products are there. These are loading using the Ajax, right? So if you add it into the cart, click add button, add it into the cart, right? So you'll be able to see the card here. If you click on this card here, the product should be added into your cart, right? How many quantity and you need, you will be able to select the quantity over here, right? So all the things are there. So I'm just go here. If you want to select the category as TV, relevant brand you are selected, here the relevant product details should be displayed. If you select as Samsung, the relevant, right? So this is very simple system. How to make this system step by step, I will be teach, right? I will be teach. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here, I already created the database, which name is KStore. This is my database I have created, KStore. These are the relevant tables I have created: brand, card, category and products, right? Okay, now first have a look at the category table. The first table we have to discuss about the category table. So we have a columns. These are the columns I have created: ID, cat name, status, right? So I have entered the category. These are the categories I have entered: cap, cloth, fan, TV, right? I just manually I have entered. Okay, I didn't do any admin panel here. Only I have to how to view the products as a e-commerce. Okay, right? Okay, this is the things we have to do. After done this table, this is the structure of the table. You can see the structure, very simple structure: ID, cat name, and it is a professional way to do the system. After that, brand table consider these are the columns: ID, brand name and status. The same structure it goes, right? ID should be, brand ID should be auto increment part, right? So this is a simple table I have created. After that, we have created another table which is a product table. I have manually added. This is the category ID. ID 1 mean this one should be here. You can see here cap. ID 2 mean cloth. ID 3 mean fan, and this here. Okay, so here set 1. Okay, this one should be brand 2 mean, you can check here brand. Which one's the brand ID 2? LG. So here I have added. This one should be cap, LG, price, description, all the things are added. Okay, all things are added like this. Okay, right. This is the thing. This is how we have create the table: ID, cat ID, brand ID, price, description, image. Image is must, where it will be displayed over here. This is image we will display over here, right? So don't worry about the images. Images also I have put into one folder and set into the image. All the images are there. Okay, here. Okay, that's things we have to do. Now what I am going to do is here, these are the table we have created in our database. Very simple system I have made it. We will show you the simple system here. Okay, right? Product, brand and category, right? First I have a look at the table how the things works. So let's back to my project, right? So here first what I am going to do is here, I have, in order to write the program, I have used VS Code editor. You must download the VS Code editor, right? So after that, in this editor you can create the project, right? You can create the project. You make the folder, one folder here, new folder, and create as I just give as this is my project bot.com1. I just give as this is a project name. These are our bootstrap libraries. All the things are there. You don't worry about this folder I have given in my video description. You will be able to use, right? So all the components are there: bootstrap, jQuery, all the things are there. JConfirm master, all things are there, right? jQuery print, all things, validate, min.js, this all the things are we needed for execute the program, right? So after that, these are the only the project creation. After that, we have to create another folder which is a boiler component. We have added all our jQuery and bootstrap libraries, all are there. After that, I have created another folder which is a image folder. The required all the images I have put into this relevant folder, right? This is the images where it will be displayed on the index PHP, This is the images where it will be displayed. Okay, right? So first what I did here is you have to create the file db.php first time. Okay, after that you have established the database connection, right? So here I am not going to write from the beginning, and if I explain, it take too much of time to complete the project. So that what I did this, I have already done this project. I will explain how to create this one step by step. Okay, first what I did here, first we have to create the folder and name the project. Second, this folder I have put into my video description, copy and paste in this project, inside this project. Okay, inside this project folder you are pasting to this folder. After that you have to create a new folder, images, right? What is the images required, you have to put into inside this folder. Okay, after that we have to create the file, right click, new file, you have to create the file db.php, right? That file I have created here. First we have to establish a database connection. Server name localhost. So localhost server, my database resides on localhost. Root, this is the user credential of exam server. Okay, root is a username, password is blank. If you want, you will be able to set the password. When you install the exam server for the first time, the root is a username, password is a blank. Okay, this is a default one. DB name I have set is a KStore. This is the database name which I created, right? KStore. Okay. After that we have checked the connection, whether the connection is succeed or not. So here we have created the variable con equal mysqli. This is server, username and password and DB, right? It will be check whether it's all are success. If it is failure, it throw the error message like this, connection failed. Okay, if it is succeed, it will be work. Okay, without show this error. Okay, this is the first connection we have made. Your database name and user credential of exam server. Your database reside on localhost, right? This is very much when you are making the project, right? Okay, now you successfully done the DB connection. After that, let me move into the thing is this get category here. So first I am going to go to the index.php page. Index.php. So here this is our design, index.php page. I have explained it. Okay, this is very simple project. You can it is not that much of boring because I have already done this project. Okay, so you don't need to bore about this one. Index.php, you can have a look at this one. I have started with HTML tag. I have closed the HTML tag first. This is the things we have to do. After that, inside the HTML we have written the red tag at close. Inside the red tag we have link all the bootstrap file, bootstrap min.js, cs and data table and all the required libraries I have pasted here. Okay, all things are there, right? The jQuery min.js, bootstrap min.css, this is very needed for in order to style the bootstrap style. This conform jQuery conform box, this one should be the when you add the products here. If you added the product here, if you go here, if you click add one here, this one should be the jQuery conform min.css. This is required file. jQuery data table we no needed. We are not using data table here. We no need these things. Data table also we no need that. Other things are we needed. We have signed this all stuff. We no need that. Right. Okay. This one we needed all the things. Right. Okay. Keep all the stuff. Okay. After that, first what I did here is inside the body. First we have to include header.php mean. I have already created the separate header.php file. This is simple navbar I have created. This is a navbar I have created. Nav, this is the class. This is the name of the project. It's a name. Become Ecommerce. Only one home link, right? Index link. When you click this link, it goes here. After this is separate card link I have given here, this card, right? This click on this one, how many projects you have ordered, it will be available in the card, right? So this is the thing we have to available there. Okay, that's the thing we have to link it. A simple nav bar. You don't worry about all the source code I provide in my tutorsfunny.com website. You will be able to download and you can use it, right? This is the thing we have done, right? This is simple nav bar we have created. You have to call it into a inside the body tag, it will be work. After that we need simple space, so that we have to put it to a break tag. After that we have to separate two things. This is a 3, this is a 9. Mean what's the thing? This is 2. Okay. Right. Here this one should be, I have separate two div tags, right? This one should be column middle 3. This is column middle 9 mean. All the spaces should be 12. We divide it into 3 into 9. So here this should be cover about the category and brand. First one should be the category, second is a brand. Here it's a category, this one the brand. This is simple style I have created, right? This is the heading, category. This is a L mean this is a list. I have created a simple list. Inside the list we have to inside the list we have to drag all the data, right? This all the data is coming from where? Database. Category is coming from category data table. Brand is coming from brand table. Okay. So here we have created two heading. Inside this list we have to pass it inside this list. Okay, here it will be passing. Okay, right? This code I have written below. Okay, here after the body we have to link all the jQuery relevant files over here. jQuery.js, min.js is all required file. After that the jQuery validate on min.js, this is also required, right? Okay, these are the files we are required to run the program, right? First what I did here is I have write the script, jQuery script. Here it will be closed, open and closed. First I have a look at this one. First when the programming is run, it will be calling the get category. Get category mean our this one. All the category, what your category you have created, all the categories are loaded along with the brand. So this function implemented for loading the category. This function implemented for loading the brand. Okay. So in order to achieve this, we have to create the Ajax method. Type is get URL. This is the URL we are when the project is run. It will be passing to this URL get category.php. So it will be goes to that get category.php page is there here. Right. Here we are first we have to establish a database connection. We have write statement variable. We have to the connection is reside on DB. Prepare. Here we have to create the table. We have to load all the categories details. ID, cat name, status from category table. Where status equal 1. 1 mean the status should be active, right? If it is 0 mean it deactive. Okay. Now here what I telling here is only display which project is active, which product is active. Active products only we have to display. Deactivate product we won't display. Okay, so it will order by ID, descending order, right? So here it's all I have set this as an active product. I have set it as all 1 mean is active product. It's loaded over here, right? It's loaded over here. Now what I'm going to do is here. This is how we have to load the categories, right? So here descending order ID. What is the ID descending order? It will be displayed. Descending order mean TV 4 3 2 1. Likewise it will be displayed TV, fan, cloth, cap. It's a descending order. I is descending 4. Okay, it's a descending order. It will be displayed. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, now after that we'll go here. we have set all the fields. This all the fields I just copy and paste it here and make the variable. We have write statement bind result. You have write if statement execute. You have write the while loop. You have write the set the array output array. We have to equal into the id cat name status, all things are equal. This all the values we are passing as a JSON format to the particular page. So here echo JSON encode, we have to encode it to all the stuff. We have to set it as a output as a JSON output. Set it over here, right? So we have to pass into when the index page is requested, get category.php page, it will be passing to here. It goes to the category page, get category page, with all the things are stored at and passing to the index page, right? So you can check here, this is a function, get category function, it goes here and here data type is JSON. You have to, whether it is all the value are come or not, you can check here console dot log. You have to write here data. You have to write like this data. Here you can check here. Go to the browser, right click, impact, console, say array here. All the categories should be there. These all are coming from here. You have set it here. The get category page. You are set like this. So all the value are loaded and you are set into the key and value, right? You are set it here. If you go here, it's set and coming. It's same like here coming. Cat name TV. Set here the same name. It is display and put into it. It is a JSON format. It all things are passing to the our list. So how to pass into the list? This all data is coming to index page well. So how to pass into the relevant, if you are tested console.log, data is coming successfully. Now needed this one. Now here we have to write the for loop and get the values. Var 0 I, you have to create the variable I. Data dot length, this is the data, what are the data is coming, dot length, right? Along with the length I plus plus. We are, in order to get the data, we have to write the for loop, right? After that, get the data, cat name, cat ID, cat status. These three data is coming. Okay, this data, these three data is there, ID, cat name and status. So you have to receive here I, cat name, ID and name. Okay, make sure the same name, what's the name you are given, this name you have to get it here. If you give the different name, it won't work. So it is assigned to the relevant variables here. I have set the relevant variables here. After that, this all the things are displayed where this here, display into this list, inside this list. So this, what is the name of the list I have given? ID is display result. This is the ID. This ID you have to pass it here and you have to write the append method in order to get the adding to the list. We have to write append list li id cat id. Cat id means what's the cat id is coming here. Just put it here. After that, class, this name bootstrap class. You have to write input. We have to write this one to a check field. So you have to write input checkbox field. Checkbox mean this checkbox field. Okay, checkbox field. So that I have to write like this. So checkbox field. Okay, checkbox field. So you have to write here cat name. Cat name means the name. This one should be the in between the this one. The checkbox and the text, we need a space. We have to put the space. Cat name means what is the cat name? It will be displayed. This is a cat name. TV, fan, cloth, like this. It's a names, right? That's how we have to load the category. Okay, the same thing we have to load the category. When the page is loaded, this function you copy and paste it above. When the page is loaded, the category function get loaded. This very simple thing we have to do to load the category, right? No, don't worry about that. All the source code I provide in my tutorsfunny.com website. You will be able to use it in your future project. Thank you for watching. I will be continuing the brand part in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.